Alfred Giles established Springvale Homestead in 1879 after he drove 2,500 cattle and horses and 12,000 head of sheep from Adelaide to the site in 20 months for Dr. W.J. Brown to establish pastoral properties for him. Brown was one of the many men who believed the territory could support large herds and supply the miners who were rushing into the newly discovered goldfields. Keeping sheep and cattle in the top end proved challenging for Giles. Initially, it was believed that cattle would be able to eat down the tall, rank tropical grasses, and then the shorter grasses suitable for sheep would thrive. This did not happen, and the north was too hot for sheep to thrive. White ants took food supplies and destroyed fences and buildings. In 1887, Brown tried unsuccessfully to sell Springvale. His venture into pastoralism in the north had been unsuccessful. The returns had been too slight to repay his investment. Alfred and Mary Giles and their children stayed on at Springvale until 1894, when they abandoned the station.